write the range of the function f of x is equal to e to the power of x minus step x, the greatest integer function which is less than or equals to x, where x belongs to any real number. And since we know that for any integer x, we have x minus step x always will be equal to 0, because the x value, integer value minus step x is also, they will be getting the same value, so 0. And for any non-integer x, we will have x minus step x will be always lying between including 0 and less than 1. For an example, if x is equal to 6.96, if we consider, then its step x value will be equal to the greatest integer which is less than 6.96 is 6. So x minus step x will get, x minus step x is equal to 6.96 minus 6 will get 0.96. It is a fraction. And also if we consider the negative number, if x is equal to minus 6.96, then its a step value, the greatest integer which is less than minus 6.96 is minus 7. So x minus step x we can consider, that is minus 6.96 plus 7, that's a 7 minus 6.96 will get 0.04. So in either way you will get only the decimal numbers which is less than, which is lies between 0 to 1, we can say. For integers it is equal to 0, and for non-integer it is always lies between 0 and 1. So we can just consider for any real number x belongs to R, so we can just conclude that x minus step x will belongs to 0 to 1, so including 0 and open interval 1, so that e to the power of x minus step x, let me write one more, so which implies that x minus step x is lying between including 0 and 1, or if we take exponential e to the power of x minus step x, and since we know that e value is approximately equals to 2.7, it's more than 1, so e power x minus step x will lies between e to the power of 0 and e to the power of 1. E power 0 is 1 less than or equals to e power x minus step x, that is f of x, so we can write this is f of x is less than e power 1 is e. So which implies that the range of the function, the range of f can be taken as 1 to e. So open interval 1 and closed interval, closed interval 1 and open interval e. Okay, this is the answer, right? Thank you.